In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a CV via email using your phone. So first up, locate your CV. I'm just going to easily access my files because mine is at the files, and I'm going to easily go over to my CV, which is at the documents, and this CV has been sent via WhatsApp. So I'm just going to easily go over to my WhatsApp documents, and as you can see, here's my CV right over here. So make sure you locate your CV first. Once you do that, long press on your CV and then click on the share option. Once you do that, select the Gmail option, and it's then going to take you straight to the Gmail option where you can easily send the CV. So insert the email of the person that's supposed to receive this CV. So for example, the person that's going to receive this CV has this particular email right over here. So once you've inserted the CV, or rather the email of the person that's supposed to receive the CV, simply enter the subject of the email. For example, it could be something like this. So this could be the subject of the email, and you can easily write something in the email if you want to. So as you can see, I've simply wrote something in the email. What you want to do now is that you want to send the email. So as you can see, I have added the subject, I've added something or a simple text in the CV letter, and I've added the email of the person that's supposed to receive the CV. So now I can simply send by clicking on this icon right over here. So once you do that, your CV will be successfully sent via email. So that's how you can easily send your CV via email using your phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.